This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and gathering any Wi-Fi passwords you'll need. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, unlock the phone and open settings, then navigate to System or General Management. Naming varies by maker. Make sure to look for Reset or Reset options. On some phones, it's under Advanced. You're doing this now because it centralizes network controls and avoids guessing later. If you can't find Reset options, use Settings Search with Reset Network to jump straight to it. Once you've opened Reset options, tap Reset Network Settings to view the action details. This explains which connections will be cleared and why it helps resolve IP, DNS, and connectivity conflicts. Make sure you understand that saved Wi-Fi networks, paired Bluetooth devices, and custom APNs will be removed. When you choose Reset, the phone will ask for your PIN or unlock pattern. This prevents accidental changes. After you confirm, the phone performs the reset and briefly restarts network subsystems to apply clean settings. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and repair Bluetooth devices. This restores normal connectivity. Then check mobile data by toggling cellular off and on, and verify APN settings if you don't see service. If things still fail, try toggling airplane mode for 10 seconds or perform a full reboot to force fresh network registration. If you continue seeing issues, contact your carrier for APN values or use Settings Search to find advanced network options. This usually resolves stubborn profile or provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.